A warm greetings to one and all. I, Assistant Professor Sheetal Bora, along with my mentor, Dr. S.B. Kishore Sir, in a YouTube video series Know Your Paper, would like to introduce the new paper called as Soft Skills. The content of this video are syllabus, outline of paper, importance of paper, and application of this particular paper. This syllabus is basically used in all the universities where the soft skill paper is taught. So it is a generalized syllabus taken from all the universities. The outline of paper include the paper starts with self-analysis, and the self-analysis can be done through SWOC, that is strength, weakness, opportunities and challenges. Then what is goal setting? How you can set your goals, long term as well as short term goals. Then what is enthusiasm? How can you work with your enthusiasm and the difference between enthusiasm as well as the efforts. Then etiquettes and good manners. What are etiquettes? What are the good manners which we should learn while learning the paper soft skill. Then how to introduce yourself while facing any interviews or facing public gatherings and grooming appropriately. Then comes attitude. Now attitude means a way of thinking. How you think matters a lot. That influences your personality. So positive attitude which is required for your success. Then comes a very important part which is called as time management. Now what is time management? The importance of time management. How you can manage your time, that can be learned under this heading. Then team dynamics. When you will go out for a job or for the business, you should learn, you should know how to work in team. So benefit of teamwork, etc. Then comes public speaking. How you can speak, how you can enhance your public speaking qualities, your communication skills, all other things. While you are learning public speaking, there also comes the listening part, and there are 5 steps for a better listening, and they are receiving, understanding, remembering, evaluating and responding. Then comes objectives or importance of the paper. Why should we learn this paper? So in this competitive world, it is must to learn the soft skills because it inspires leadership excellence and it also influences our communication skills. It helps us in team building and learning management skills. Our public speaking along with your presentation skills can also be enhanced. Then we can develop our interpersonal skills by learning this paper. For an employability, we should learn this paper because this paper covers all the things which are required for corporate grooming. Then along with this paper, we also provides motivational trainings and the practical orientation which will be helpful for the students for their career planning. And it also helps in overall development with a mature outlook to functions effectively in different circumstances, which means that not only at workplaces but in their personal life also this particular skills help the students to come out with flying colors. Another thing is to give each students a realistic perspective of work and work expectations. It helps to formulate problem solving skills for the students to make proper decisions in their life. So these are some of the objectives, or you can call it as an importance by which you can learn this paper. Then there are many applications by learning this paper, what you can do. Here I have included some of them. The first one is soft skills are important because they enable students to adjust to the frustrations and challenges they will encounter in their adult life. See, when you will come out with your degrees in your hand and you will go for the job interviews, From the very that part, when you will write your CV, your resume, you should know the soft skills, because nowadays in resume a special part has been allocated to mention your soft skills. So yes, that is the benefit. It will help you to get your jobs as well as to continue in your jobs. Then it improves your communication skills, which is not only important in your professional, but it is also important in your personal life also. So communication skills, both in written as well as verbal communication skill, is improved by learning this paper. Then it also helps you to take the responsibility, and it helps you to instruct others to work accordingly. It is also able to relate with yourself with your co-workers in a close working environment. So by learning this particular paper, you can enhance, groom your personality, and you can be successful in your life. So these are the references through which you can learn soft skills. Thank you very much.